What is going on, everyone? It's Ricky with Technical Solutions, and I hope that you guys are all having an amazing day. I'm going to start sharing my screen so you guys can see exactly what it is that I'm talking about. But I wanted to talk about this huge just change of direction that Tesla had. So Tesla has been selling off. I've been making a couple of videos about it. If you guys are not familiar with like my YouTube channel, please browse around before I don't know, maybe after this video or something like that. But I upload videos every single day, and one of the things that I've been talking about is my $100,000 swing trade on Tesla. If you guys haven't watched that video, feel free to check it out, and it explains in detail on how I took originally, first a $25,000 position, and I plan to average up and stuff like that. And it's because of how low I think and oversold I see Tesla to be. Again, please just watch that video. But one of the things that we saw Tesla do, especially within the past couple of days, is consistently show signs of a sell-off, right? It's been selling off after they released the Tesla Model Y and a series of news with Elon Musk and the SEC and just that all that back and forth. It's not good news, right? And the unveiling, I don't really care about that. That's not detrimental to the company. That's just people's opinion. It's irrelevant. But one of the things that I find to be most important is just this back and forth between Elon and the SEC. And that could be something that could be viewed a little bit more seriously. And I think that's what's led, for these 1% to 2% losses on the day, right? Well, now it's on the green or in the green. And it's this just change of direction. If you're part of the Learn Plan Profit group, the group that gets to watch me trade live every single morning, it's the second link in the description if you guys want to check that out. But one of the things that we were talking about is waiting for Tesla to change direction, and not until it broke above the middle VWAP. I mean, what I want to talk about is it literally went from $263, right, to $273. It's 3.5% for a multi-billion-dollar company in a matter of 30 minutes. So if we even get like one of these candles, right, you can see the time down here. You can see that market opens at 6:30 my time. That's right around like 7:16, 7:17, whatever it is that you want to call it, and then ended up hitting and clearing, 273 right around 7:48. That's absolutely ridiculous. Oh, I also did not provide you guys an update. I still have my 91 shares. My average purchase price was completely messed up. I put that I'm up $525 because that's what I'm up on the day. My overall open, because of the 91 shares, again, that's a little bit over $25,000 that I'm still swing trading, shows that I'm up more. This is irrelevant to me. I don't care if I'm up. I don't care if I'm down. I talked about it in yesterday's video. What I care about is how much money I actually made besides this. So if you guys do the math, the difference, it shows that I'm up now $600 on the day. Again, that's, oh my God, I almost want to sell the position because it's so overextended. It's just, Tesla has been so inconsistent. And I don't know if I got in maybe a little bit too early. Feel free to share your own opinion in the comment section with some actual support, not just nah, I think Tesla. People are so opinionated, and it's so funny because it's YouTube. People can say whatever it is that they want and they feel like they're empowered, right? Again, because people can say whatever it is that they want, just make sure that you have some backing behind whatever it is that you plan to share. If you think Tesla's going to sell off and there's a reason behind that, I really want to know. I mean, I'm investing in this company, and I'm planning to hold it for maybe a couple of weeks, maybe a couple of months, and I want to hear your feedback. But one of the things that I've been seeing is maybe I should just day trade Tesla, right? So remove, just sell my $25,000 that I have on Tesla. Maybe just day trade it until it breaks above the EMA line. I don't know how I feel about that. I honestly think I'd be making much more money. I know that's besides the point. A lot of people just want me to focus on my swing trade. But you guys know that, just like I did yesterday and just like I did today, I began to day trade Tesla. So that's why I'm up, again, $525 on the day, on the open. That's because of my swing trade, and that's irrelevant. Again, I hope that you guys understand that. So $525 on the day, it had a huge push up. I don't think that this is going to last for a very long period of time. I think that there's some form of news or something that drove the price up. Altogether, again, it's very volatile right now, and it's peaking out at around 273. I think as the hype and demand dies out, it will slowly begin to correct itself, and that's why I'm considering the idea of locking in profits. And we've been having an absolute blast. If you're part of Technical Solutions, even if you're part of or if you're part of both Technical Solutions and Learn Plan Profit, one of the things that we've been doing is I've been keeping everyone up to date, with what it is that I've been seeing value in. Natural gas did an absolute beautiful job selling off today, right? So because natural gas began to sell off, especially right as the market opened. So if you guys see this right around 6:30, so 6 o'clock, 6:30, natural gas just continuously began to sell off. Why is that cool? Why is that important? Because then degas, right, begins to push up, and that's super exciting, makes it that much easier to trade that. So then degas began to show signs of an uptrend. One of the biggest things that I just want to talk about before I close out this live stream is that a lot of the stocks that I've been watching, especially within the past couple of days, especially the past couple or the very common ETFs that I trade very often, excuse me, the margins of profit are not worth it. They're about 1%, and I mean, they're trending up, but they're not a consistent pattern. It's just on the day that they're trending up. The market's been very inconsistent, especially with a lot of the ETFs that I've been trading. And if you guys have been seeing the past couple of days, I have not been trading UGAs and DGAs or any ETF as aggressively as I used to. And why is that? Because I'm not feeling as comfortable with the overall pattern and the opportunity cost. So one of the last things that I want to remind you is, with the $1,000 contest that we have going on for our Learn Plan Profit members, and on top of that, the 2-day visit for the TechBud staycation, I would love to ensure that while you guys come visit, so we're going to have one person that we fly out to visit us for 2 days, and it's going to trade right beside me. I would love to ensure that you're in the right mindset, that you're not bag holding anything, that you're working towards your weekly goal, and that you're following quality trades. And that doesn't mean, again, this is the hardest part. Like I said, people are so opinionated and just simply want to share what's on their mind. And again, I'm not saying to not listen to other people or anything like that. I think that you should be very open-minded and hear people out, but please, please, please never trade based off other people's opinion. Who cares how much money it is that they are making? We're all in different positions, and the easiest way to put it, there's two focuses that I've been really in, I'm excited to maybe trade Tesla a little bit more when it pulls back. Why? Because I see it to be maybe a good deal when it pulls back, and then it can continue to, and the overall just quality stock is there, then I think that that's something that can make you feel that much more comfortable. And I hope that you guys know by me saying this, that people just love to talk. We're on the largest YouTube channel, right? For those who trade in the stock market, that's irrelevant. For me, I don't care about that. My biggest thing is for you, right? For people that are just getting started, I don't want you to be misguided. I don't want you to be, told what you should trade. You should, again, like we said, never trade based off other people's opinion. So please just know that it takes time to build your eye for value, and don't rush it. Have fun with it. And Tesla's absolutely ripping it. Holy crud. Let's see where it's at right now. So let's check this out. But yeah, I just want you guys to have fun with what it is that you guys are doing, and ignore all the noise. People can say whatever it is that they want, but what's most important is whatever it is that you see value in. And if you don't, then again, it doesn't matter how much money they made. What's important is how comfortable you feel with the trades that you take. Big picture, that's what's going to benefit you. So there we go. Okay, so again, just 525 on the day. So on the open, I might close out this position. I'll keep you guys up to date with the overall trade. I see it to be very overextended, and it just does not make much sense. So I'll keep you guys up to date with that. I really hope that I earned you guys' thumbs up in this video. I just wanted to keep you guys up to date with my overall day trades, my overall swing trades, and letting you guys know kind of where I stand today on the day, and making sure that I motivate you guys and empower you to be the best that you can be. So really do appreciate you guys' time. I would really appreciate the thumbs up. Again, if you guys would like to join our free Facebook group with the largest one out there, it's absolutely for free, and it's that first link in the description with over 196,000 members. If you love the opportunity to be able to watch me trade live, I talked about them in this live stream, and it's the Learn Plan Profit group. They're the only group that I work with on a closer basis, and they're the only group that gets to watch me trade live every single day. Feel free to check it out if you have 5 minutes. Second link in the description. Thank you guys again for your time. I already have a video scheduled at 2 p.m. Mountain Standard Time for you guys, and it's going to be super entertaining. It has to do with the McLaren 720S, and I hope that you guys are excited for that. Thank you guys again for your time. Wish you guys an amazing rest of your day. Like always, continue working hard, continue following the dreams, let your passion be your drive to success. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take it easy, team.